Your partner is contacting you via text, asking about dinner, and you don't have a clue. And now you're searching for something great to cook for dinner for two. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Beef Burgundy Pasta. So let's get started. Let's prepare the bacon. Now let's prepare the beef. Now let's build the dish. Set your timer for 90 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Originally known as beef bourguignon, beef Burgundy originated in France's East Burgundy region, and most historians believe it was invented by the French chef Auguste Escoffier during the 19th century. Let's prepare the pasta. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on the plate with pasta. Garnish with chopped parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the beef is fork tender and the Burgundy wine creates an amazing depth of flavor. And of course, the Pappardelle pasta creates a sophisticated dimension to the overall flavor profile. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.